to get the true mileage of my MPG, this is what I do. I come to the gas station, I fill this thing all the way up to the rim. See that? I'll go reset my meter to 0, my trip. Alright, I already passed 200,000 miles, so it's pretty good, still going. And then I'll go drive it. Hey Google, what's today's date?
It's Friday, May 19th, 2023.
Hey Google, what's today's date?
It's Sunday, June 11th, 2023.
Alright, so I'm back at the gas station. It's been, what, 3 weeks since I filled this up, so now I'm here. We're gonna fill this bad boy and see how much gas I've used to drive. 472 miles. I think we'll probably come up to be about 13 gallons. Alright, so it comes out to be 13.2 or so. So now, nope, I don't want a receipt. So now it's up in the rim again. 472.1 divided by 13,275, right? So that gives me 35.6 MPG. Like I said, this was mostly highway. As long as you keep your car in good shape, your MPG will keep going. Shouldn't be that bad at all. Hopefully this helps, guys. Take care of yourself. We'll see you next time.